Welcome to Pydle Day 96. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is titled Earth, and if you look, kind of use imagination, you kind of see it's a very crude little Earth icon. So we've got the ocean, Africa kind of green plus a bit of desert at the top, Mediterranean, Europe, just one pixel, bit of Asia. Yeah, so that is the Pydle for today. Have a go at solving that. I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So it is a dagger with just a bit of blood dripping off the blade. That's courtesy of my son, who thought my sword I did earlier was a bit boring. So let's start just with our two loops. I'm going to use Cartesian coordinates. So for x in range -2, 3, then for y in range -2, 3. Okay, so let's tackle the two red pixels first, and it's going to be where x equals 2 and absolute value of y equals 1. So either side of the the x-axis, so +1 and -1, so you just say absolute value of y. And we can do Pydle 2 plus x, 2 minus y, no character, and red. Okay, let's slowly build up this graphic. That worked. Okay, next let's tackle the whites. So the else if, okay, sorry, I meant the yellows. The handle, so that is a straight line equation, and where x equals 0, so the slope is -1, and where x equals 0, the y-intercept is -2. So we can basically say y equals -2, so minus x -2, or we can just say x plus y plus x equals -2. Okay, let's do that one first. Do the rest of the handle in a minute. Okay, that's part of the handle. And then we've got 1 pixel there. Now, various ways of addressing that 1 pixel, but one way is to say x equals y equals -2. So you could do that in Python. So where x equals y and both of them equals -2, which is that pixel. Okay, that's that. We don't have to worry about black because black is the default color, but we do have to fill in the whites. So let's do whites. Okay, so we've got two linear equations. If you look there, those areas are basically bounded by linear equations with positive slope, and I'm just going to write them as so x less than y -1 or x greater than y plus 1. Okay, so the x less than y -1 is to the left, and x greater than y plus 1 is to the right. So let's see if that works. So that falls in those areas. So we only have these two kind of holes we need to address. And many ways of doing that, but one way is to, again, just use a linear equation. So you could see it's just this one offset by 1 pixel to the left. So whatever we had there, we had x plus y equals minus 2. So it's going to be x plus y equals minus 3 because we are offset by 1 pixel. Okay, so that solves the Pydle. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching that. Have a go at solving the cute little earth we have today, and then I will see you again tomorrow.